This is a Ford Kuga 2-litre Titanium X TDCi, 5-door, and it's an automatic. Beautiful car, unusual colour. The mileage is 46,293, and it has a full service history. It's a 2013 on a 63 plate, has a pan roof, or full pan roof, and also full leather. Fuel economy figures: urban 38.2, extra urban 51.4, and combined 45.6 miles per gallon, so really economical. It will have a 12 months MOT as from probably tomorrow. As I say, really good spec. It's finished in, now it's just taken us about an hour to find out this colour. That's what's written in the book there. We can tell Torino leather, but at first we thought that was Banshee's claw, which it isn't. Then anyway, we found out it's called burnished glow. So it's like a brown metallic, a pale brown metallic. Looks good, unusual colour. I haven't seen it before, but it's anthracite or very dark grey leather with contrast stitching. I'll just take it for a ride in it and just show you the service history first. We've got, it's got 4 services, last done at 34,000. So we'll do it again before it goes out. So it'll have 5 service stamps. That's first one, 2013, distance 5 miles, PDI. 18th of September 2004 at 9,844 miles, Essex Auto Group, Ford Garage. Then 8th of 9th 2015, 20,177. And again we see the service receptionist here, got one job. All he has to do, put a stamp on there, and he's got it the wrong way up. So good effort. No prizes though. 6th of October 2016, 34630, and as I say, wheel services again, so it'll be ready to go out. Road tax as well, because it's pretty cheap road tax. 6 months is £104.50, and 12 months is £190. First registered 21st of October 2013. So with all that said, we'll just go for a ride. Okay, here we go. A great engine, pulls away effortlessly. Lots of low end power on the diesel. Nice and smooth, quiet, except for me talking.